Welcome to my YouTube channel. Continuing our discussion building the website using WordPress, today we will discuss how to add About Us page in WordPress site. The About Us page is a very important page on your website. You will not be monetizing it, but it's still very important as a lot of people who visit your site would want to know about you and your will visit this page. You will want to convey to your readers why you created the website, and you will want to write it in a way that will evoke an emotional response. You do not want this to be boring, you want it to make it as interesting as possible. The best way to get an emotional response from people would be to tell a story that will resonate with them. You want the story on the page to speak to your readers and to make a connection with them. You can write the page in the third person or in the first person. You just need to make it interesting and let your readers know there is a real person behind the website. Your readers would also want to know what qualifies you to write with authority about the topic of your website. So let's create the page. Here our title will be About Us. Here is the general structure you would want to use for the About Us page. You would want to have a title on this page. You would want it to be something other than About Us. Maybe something like why I created this website or something more interesting that you can think of. So this will be our title, and next you would want to have your name and photograph, so the readers of your website know that a real person behind this website. After that, you would want to write briefly about what you do, your hobbies, what drives you, and so on, like occupation and brief introduction about yourself, so the people relate to you better after reading this. After that, write a sentence or two about what you created, why you created this site. It's alright if you are not an expert. Mention that you researched this topic because you had to overcome some nagging problem, learned a lot in the process, and then decided to help other people who might be facing the same issue as you once were. Mention some interesting statistics, and maybe you would want to support these with some personal stories if possible. If you are creating a site about matrices, include some statistics about how matrices affect the quality of sleep. Weave in some stories about people who had their lives turned upside down by choosing low quality mattresses and then purchased the right mattress and their trouble vanished. This will be the purpose of the site. Write about how this site can help your visitors choose the right mattress for their needs. You would also want to have a contact form on the About Us page. And the same way, purpose of the site. Now the same way which we have discussed in the previous video, we will add the contact us form here as well. We will go back to the contact form settings and copy the short code and paste that short code right here. And so let's now publish this page and see how it looks like. After publishing this page, we will preview this in a new tab and see what it looks like. And there you can see here is our about us page with the form and how it looks like at the moment. Thanks for watching and keep supporting and keep watching my channel for more informational videos.